Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to mark WhatsApp chat as unread. So if you have read a particular WhatsApp chat and I want to mark this particular chat as unread, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to mark WhatsApp chat as unread on Android, all you need to do is go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your phone. Locate the chat you want to mark as unread and then press and hold it. Click on the three dots at top right. Then you should see mark as unread. Check that. Then again, locate another chat, repeat the same thing, click on the three dots and then mark as unread. You can also select multiple chats you want to mark as unread on your WhatsApp. So click on the three dots and then you should see mark as unread. So all these chats will be marked as unread. So if you go ahead, close the WhatsApp chat, come back, open WhatsApp, then you should see all the chats marked as unread, and then you're good to go. So that is basically how to mark WhatsApp chat as unread. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.